HDPE blow molding technology has high efficiency and quality advantages, and manufacturers apply it to a variety of industries, including household goods, industrial containers, and more. Blow molds and blow molding machines are professional tools for the production of plastic blow molding containers. The main principle is to inject molten plastic particles into the mold cavity, blow them with compressed air and cool them to solidify them to form blow molded parts. High-density polyethylene is one of the most widely used in a variety of hollow blow molded plastics, and is widely used in food, chemical, liquid processing, and packaging. HDPE is an opaque, wet, waxy material with a lighter specific gravity than water and ranges from 0.941 to 0.960. It is soft and tough, but slightly stiffer than LDPE and can also be slightly elongated. It is non-toxic and tasteless. HDPE blow molding mainly consists of three basic steps, namely blank forming, blow molding, and product cooling. First, the plastic is processed into a blank by injection molding or extrusion, and then the high-temperature blank is placed into a blow mold. The manufacturer's design and manufacture of blow molds determines the production efficiency, quality, and cost control of the product. The technology includes the transformation of HDPE resin into hollow seamless plastic products with exceptional durability and strength. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription, and consultation to get more industry information.